Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today. I greatly appreciate it. I know I didn't have a video yesterday. I just, Pat just kept me up most of the night. She's just laying up here with me. She's just by my side all the time. She's lost a lot of weight. Last night she was, not feeling great, stomach wise, and, just every once in a while, her breathing is like very, I don't know what the right word is, like labored, like she's breathing heavy, and then she'll just like quiet it down. And obviously if she's sleeping a little bit shallower, I mean, I slept for a few hours last night, and I slept with my hand on her like side, just so I could still feel, because she's still with us. I really don't think it's going to be all that long, if I'm being honest. She's not eating. She's still drinking water, which is good, and doing her business outside, but, for how long, I don't know. So keep her in your prayers, please, please, please. And today, I have an exciting one for you. My P Louise box came. Pretty big box. I'm excited for this. And how does this open? It's one of the pull tabs. These are usually my kryptonite, because I can never pull them. I don't have enough strength in my hands all the time. Okay, we got that. So we'll see what we have here. I have no clue what's in this box. And I did manage to get, I think it's box 28 for Trend Mood. So we'll see when that comes what exciting things are in that box. Looks pretty good. I'll give you a little sneak peek here as to what we have. And wow, that's massive, whatever that is. All right, so we're going to save that for last. And I have two items here. First one is, does it tell me what it is? With a lanyard. So let's open this up and see. Obviously everything's going to be P Louise. Figure out how this opens. Comes in handy for whatevers. Oops. So here we go. We have a nice little lanyard, gold and hook. What does this say? Bad bitch energy, biatch, however you want to say that. Cute. I like that. That's adorable. Here we have, what are you? P Louise, You Are So Charming lip oil that looks like it hooks, which will be great for this time of year to have a lip oil, maybe hooked to your handbag or something like that. Let's see. These are cute. Right here it is. And it smells good. Let me just see if I can open it. Does it open? Or is this just... This is fake? Might be fake. But why does it smell so good? That might just be like a little charm. I thought that was maybe real lip oil, but there's no way that it would open. It smells good. Unless something else in the box smells good. That's interesting. Not unhappy with either one of those. A little bit of merch. Here we have the Mirror Magic eyelashes. If you can see it, you can be it. So a nice little set of, sets of lashes. 1, 2, 3, 3 sets in there. Let's open them. And, it is sealed. I'm going to open it and I'll show them to you. I'll probably share these. I don't wear lashes. I don't need them. My lashes are long enough. I mean, I do have magnetics that I do wear on, like if I was going to a wedding or to an event or something. So these are the lashes. Nice. And they look nice. So, I've heard great things about their lashes, so I'm not knocking it. Let's see. I'm just going to put this stuff back in so nothing hits the floor today. And then here we have, this is Moncherry. And I'll leave that up to you. It looks like a juice box. Oh, my nose is going to run. So what are we? Susan nourishes your lips. So we have to open this. Where's the... Oh, I hate to ruin packaging. This looks so pretty. Let's open this up. Let's see if I can get it. I'm the worst sometimes at packaging to try to get it open. Let's see what we got going on here. Oh, I cannot get this. Man, they really use some thick plastic or like shrink wrap to seal stuff up. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's it. How do you get into this? Okay, I'm gonna open this from the bottom, not to destroy the actual box. Let's get this stuff out of the way. Let's see what we have here. And the straw goes right through the box. That's really a cute box. So this is what's inside. And we have Stay Shining Super Hydrating Formula right here. And that says Mon Cherie, or Cherry, Mon Cherry, but we'll say Cherie like we're from France. Wow, look at this packaging. Do you see that? How adorable. And the top opens up. And that is... that smells good. What is that? And that should just be a clear. Yeah, nice little clear. It's just on my hand. It's just a clear. Let's see. I don't have my magnifier anywhere handy because I was using it this morning. Lip oil. Let's get this back in. Maybe that way. Okay. So that's a lip oil. And then this is... Protect Your Palate Black Cherry. And this is lip conditioner. Okay, that's not bad. Oh, how cute. How cute. Another one that you can just put on your bag. Put, you know, hook it inside your bag so that you can, you know, easily get it. And this is one of the squeeze tops. So let's just do this and see. That is definitely a lip treatment. That smells good. So it's just like a thicker, like, treatment, which is definitely fine. I'm not mad at that, but I love that they put a little hole in it and put a clasp on it. Let's get that clasp in there. That's nice. So far, so good. Now, I don't want to get that all over my hand at all. I'm just going to take most of that off with this wrapper. And then we'll just put that over here. And then here, we have this big thing right here. What a weight. Oh my goodness. Palette for eye and face. Every cloud has a silver lining. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my. They definitely win for I know, like, there's like flower nose, superb packaging, but I'm telling you, P Louise is no joke here either. I mean, the box itself, the actual palette is more of a book, as you can see right here, and it opens like it's magnetic. Oh my goodness. Does it turn? How does this? Okay, so you open it up and then you just like flip it. There is, and it's magnetic, so there's a mirror, which I'm going to try not to show you. So right there we have some eyeshadow palette, or some eyeshadow. A lot of grays, you know, cool tone, warm tone, silver, some black. And then here we have more. And then you flip it again. And then you have here more. Wow, like all your neutrals, your browns, and that is the end. But I guess when they say face and it's for eye and face, you could use some of these maybe brown tones, you know, if you wanted for like bronzer, contour. The grays, like this midsection, let me just lift this off. There's a lot of like, I'm just going to lift this off so you guys can see the tones. Like, more, definitely all neutrals, like warm and cool tones mixed together. Darks and berries and neutrals and stuff like that. This is very interesting. Very, very interesting. And then here you have some like purple up here, some blues, silvers, all new, like an all neutral palette. This is absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. So it's literally a book. I mean, you could put this, you know, up here on a, that is stunning. I can't get over that. I really can't. I love it. Love, love, love it. So there are the items we got. I'm sure this palette's expensive. In the P Louise box, I'm happy with it. I'm not unhappy with it. We have some lip products, lashes, some merch items, and then this palette is, for me, makes the whole box. Like, I could see myself using quite a few of those shades because I am an all neutrals girl. And I do love, like, some of the grays. Instead of always using brown as your base or, like, a deep wine or something for your crease and your base colors, to use some grays. You could always put blue or purple with it. It looks really pretty, gray and purple. And then, you know, some of these you could use for, definitely you could use for, you know, bronzer, contour, depending on the tone or how it goes. Highlights. Definitely. Like you can use some for like your brow, under your brow, in the corner. They have some nice things. So I'm excited for this more than everything else. I'm excited for that palette. That's really awesome. So let me know your thoughts. What do you think of this? This, you know, each box I get excited to get when I finally see that it's out for delivery, because this one does come international. I'm like, ooh, I can't wait to get it and see what's in it. I do not look at spoilers for this one because so many other ones you see spoilers. Somebody mentions it when you're watching their video and so forth, but I don't see too many videos on P Louise. So I'm excited to not know what's in the box when I open it. Like last time, you know, it was like, oh my goodness, look at this. Like, I'm set forever with liners. So no complaints from me whatsoever. I appreciate you watching. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye for now.